Hello, my friends. I am with Grace, who actually has a lot of grace as well. Now, I'm at Baker Industries today, and I've been wandering around 4 major buildings: CNC, fabrication, assembly. I mean, it's an incredible place, but as I was wandering around, I looked over and I was like, could that be my friend Grace over there? Is she welding today? And it sure is. But Grace, I want to share your story with everyone else. How the heck did you get into welding?
Well, I wanted to do something like a trade. I wanted to try it out. I don't even have any family members, honestly, in this trade, but I wanted to do something that was like artistic, so I tried it out. I went to school for it, went through so many shops, and here I am.
No kidding. And you went to school to be welding, not an artist.
No, I went to school for welding.
But
yes.
you combined it, which is kind of cool.
Yes.
Now, I want to get into some other cool things about your helmet. You got E.T., you got Kermit the Frog,
Sure.
you got other cool things here. But
yeah.
Firstly, would you recommend welding for other women out there?
I would, definitely.
And why is that?
I just think it's cool to experience like different things in this. It's so cool to see all the different things that are getting built. I love saying that I'm able to work on these things, and when I tell people about the stuff that I do, they think it's so fascinating. I find it fascinating. I've learned so much. I'm able to operate overhead cranes. I can light a torch. I can MIG weld. I can TIG weld. I can arc weld. Like, I do all the different kinds of things, and to be able to do different things every day kind of advances your skill, and you get to be artistic with it, and I love that part of it.
You beat me to it. I was gonna say, and you're being artistic
Yes.
just like you wanted to. Have you had a favorite project, or are they just kind of all fun to do?
They're pretty much all fun to do. I really enjoy MIG and TIG, but I'm a pretty good MIG welder, honestly. I mean, everybody, you can get into it, and it seems like it could be easy, but you definitely have to advance your skills even with MIG welding. So.
Absolutely true. Would you believe me if I told you in high school I did some of this as an elective, and every time I got to use the stick, I got it stuck?
I would believe that because I did the same thing when I first started doing it.
So with your expertise, would you be able to teach somebody like myself how to do welding as well?
I'd probably be able to teach you some of the beginning stages of it for sure.
All right, Grace, so we're getting dirty, guys. I'm putting down this microphone and getting to work. I'll see you guys later.